Okay, for 102, they want us to solve the equations, so let's just go through these. So A, I'll write it, 3x minus 4 equals 22. So we distribute the 2 in, so we get 6x minus 8 equals 22. Add 8 to both sides. 6x equals 30. Divide both sides by 6, so x equals 5 for A. For B, let's make some space. B, I have 6 times 2x minus 5 equals negative x plus 4. So we have to distribute. 6 times 2x is 12x. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. The negative gets distributed, or negative 1, so it's negative x minus 4. Okay, so we add x to both sides, and we get 13x minus 30 equals negative 4. Add 30 to both sides. All right. So we get 13x equals 26. Divide by 13, and we get x equals 2 for B. For C, let's make space. C, we have 2 minus y plus 2 equals 3y. Be careful with this. The biggest mistake is people forget to distribute this negative in. So it's 2 minus y minus 2 equals 3y. Combine like terms, right? 2 and negative 2, that's 0. So I have negative y equals 3y. I can add y to both sides, right? Add y. So I get 0 equals 4y. Divide both sides by 4, and I get 0 equals y. So y equals 0 for C. And the last one, D, let's make space. D, I have 3 plus 4 times x plus 1 equals 159. So we distribute 3 plus 4x plus 4 equals 159. 3 and 4, like terms, 7 plus 4x equals 159. Subtract 7 from both sides. 4x equals 152. All right, and then divide by 4. If you can't divide that in your head, just go over to the side. 4 into 152. 4 goes into 15 3 times, right? That's 12. Remainder of 3, and 32 is 8, right? So 38. So x equals 38 for D.